ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ದ ಫೆಡರಲ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ವಿಜಯ್ ಜೊನ್ನಳ್ಳಿ. 2026ರ ನೀಟ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಪ್ರಕಟ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ ದಾಸ್ ಅವರು ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಖಿಲ ಭಾರತ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ 20ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಳಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ ದಾಸ್ ಅವರು ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ದ ಫೆಡರಲ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ ದಾಸ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ ದಾಸ್ ಅವರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಾಧನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಏನು, ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಏನು?
I'm really happy right now because 2 years, not actually 2 years, almost 5 years of efforts have finally paid off and in a very good way. So
ಓಕೆ
I'm currently elated. Yes.
ಓಕೆ. ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೂ ನೀಟ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶಕ್ಕೂ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಇದು ನಿಜನಾ?
No, there's no such controversy. I scored 700 out of 720 and
ಓಕೆ
that's pretty much it.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. So
Yeah.
some social media, some papers are so quoted the, so in your earlier the key answer is the difference between main result answer. Is it true?
No, I scored 710 out of 720 in the first NEET exam, which was
Okay.
conducted on May 3rd. After
Okay.
that, in the re-NEET, which was conducted on June 21st, I scored
Okay.
700 out of 720.
Okay,
No, I'm the
okay,
good.
okay.
No difference.
20ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಳಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ನೀವು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಗುರಿ ಏನು?
As of now, it's just to clear my MBBS UG as properly as I can. And I am looking into oncology and cancer research because that field has always fascinated me. There's a lot of opportunities for research and for clinical exposure. So that is currently what I want to do. But once the course of 5 years is over, I can probably make a better decision.
ನೀಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಸೋರಿಕೆಯಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ಮರುಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಬರೆದು ನೀವು 20ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ನೀಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಸೋರಿಕೆಯಾದಾಗ ನಂತರ ಮರುಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಬರೆದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ?
Well, initially, when I first found out on May 12th at 12 p.m. that it had been cancelled, I was honestly very scared. I broke down and I was really scared because for 9 days we had not touched a single book and we were just all relaxed. And suddenly they said, no, you have to study again. So at first I calmed myself down. My teachers helped me calm down. Then I went to school at around 3 p.m. that same day itself. I gathered all my books, I kept it on one table, and I took another exam of 720 marks. I checked my marks, it was around 710 in my mock test. So I was confident that I can do it again, and I just started again.
ನೀಟ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ತಯಾರಿ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ವ ತಯಾರಿ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
Honestly, for me, time never mattered. Like I would be at school from 7:30 a.m. But the time never actually mattered to me. For me, if I have 10 tasks on my to-do list for one day, I just have to complete those 10 tasks. If it's over at 10:30 p.m., okay. If it takes till 12 a.m., that is also okay. I never looked at the clock.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Not really. Like research has always fascinated me alongside medicine. Like being able to actually discover something and actually contribute to its research and how it was discovered. That is always something that has fascinated me apart from serving the nation. That so I think that's just a really fascinating field that I would like to explore potentially in the future.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ?
Well, my father is an advocate, and my mother is the head of regulatory affairs in a private pharmaceutical company.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
Yeah, born and brought up in Bangalore.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ನೀಟ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಲಹೆ ಏನು? ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ, ಸಲಹೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
First suggestion is always be organized, always be on time, keep your short notes ready for the last day from day one itself. Start preparing and never lose hope. Because if there's one thing that re-NEET has taught me, it's that you can never actually give up hope. First
Okay.
NEET, I was honestly really scared about the results because 710 could not have guaranteed anything. But the main thing is just to keep your hope up and keep preparing. Even if one exam goes down, one of your mock tests, your marks go down, don't lose hope. Just keep that mark aside, look at your mistakes, take your books, sit with it again, and keep fixing it as long as you can. That's the only
Okay.
thing. Just don't lose hope and take proper care of your health.
20ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಳಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ನೀವು ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರು ಕೂಡ ಖುಷಿ ಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಸಂಭ್ರಮ?
They're honestly really, really happy. Like, we all found out the results together. Me and my parents in the car, we found the results out together, and so we were all just really, really happy. Like, we've all always wanted a doctor in the family, so
Okay.
naturally, everybody is really happy. They've always
Okay.
seen me study from when I was young, and I've always wanted to be a doctor. So finally, seeing that success for my entire family, it's a huge thing for us.
Okay.
They have contributed in every possible way that they could. They have given me all the resources that I had ever required to be able to stand in this position. So for
Okay.
my teachers, honestly, hats off to my teachers for supporting me from 7:30 a.m. till 12 a.m. at night. They had absolutely no issue in supporting me, sending me whatever books I might require at every single step of the way. Emotionally, also they were always there for me. So
ಇದು ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ ದಾಸ್ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ದ ಫೆಡರಲ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳನ್ನ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀಟ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಸವಿವರವಾಗಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್‌ಗೆ ಈಗಲೇ ದ ಫೆಡರಲ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.